Searching for Vidnami review in 2021? In this video you will see Vidnami review and demo. By the way, Vidnami is a former content samurai. I will show you what is Vidnami, will demonstrate you Vidnami auto voice, and I'll make a video with this amazing software just in few minutes. Hi, my name is Ola from Income Ola, helping you to grow online, especially through YouTube. And today I'm going to show you how to use Vidnami to make a quick, stunning, amazing videos in just a few minutes. To get Vidnami free trial, click on the link in the description of this video and let's start. So Vidnami is great to save your precious time and make a fast, very professional videos for Facebook, videos for advertisements, videos for affiliate products and more. And click on the link in the description, sign up for free trial and follow along with me to make stunning videos. In your free trial, you can make as many videos as you want, download them, and even if you decide not to continue with Vidnami, all the videos you downloaded are yours to use. This link in the description is my affiliate link, and if you decide to continue with Vidnami, and you definitely should because they are awesome and I'm using them for many years, so if you decide to continue with Vidnami, I'll get a small commission from the company with no additional cost to you. So here we have Vidnami homepage, and you can see I have made many videos with Vidnami. You just click on create a new video. So you have content video. I usually use content video to promote affiliate products. You have influencer video. You see them mostly square. You have instant ad, sales video, course or training videos. You have property videos, and you can create your custom template. So let's choose content video, and I like to use this gray color, or maybe this time we'll go with pink, soft apricot. I like this one. So it shows you how it looks, and then you click use this template. We give a name to this video. So you can write your script here, or you can copy and paste your script from other place. And I already made my script ahead because I'm going to publish this video in my another faceless channel. So I click on paste, and the only thing you have to make sure that you have punctuations. Luckily I have Grammarly, which helps me a lot. So now it looks all okay, and when you're satisfied, click on create scenes, and Vidnami will do all the hard work for you. Vidnami will choose the scenes, will choose the footage, the videos or the pictures to put on the background, depends on your topic. And now the only thing left is just go through the scenes and make sure everything is correct, and you can replace the footage, videos or images by if there's mistakes, or maybe you just see something that better describes what you're talking about. So the first one, what is the best anti-cellulite diet? You see a belly. I can click on cellulite here and choose something that more describes cellulite. So let's see this. Go down and see what else. In this video we'll show you 5 cellulite fast. One of your dreams in 2021. Hey ladies of YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Now I want to continue this video to here, so I just link it here and you'll see it continues to the next scene. Make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell. So let's find here subscribe and bell and choose something like this one. So you are watching this video because you probably search how there is cellulite. So let's go back to cellulite and something else like this one. No, diminish your cellulite. Okay. I'm struggling with cellulite. First of all, it's reversible. So let's find something else for cellulite. 80% of treatment for cellulite. diet. So let's go to diet and choose something like this one, or maybe something else. So after you check all the scenes and you see they are okay, click on Add Voice Track to your video. So you can choose here if you want to use auto voice, record your own voice track, or upload a voice track. And let me show you how auto voice sounds. I personally don't use it because it's a little bit robotic in my opinion. Sometimes I use my voice and sometimes I just use software called Speecholo. I think they are the best considered to artificial voices. So I'll just show you how Luke sounds.
Hi, my name is Luke and I would love to read the script for your video.
So in my opinion, those are a little bit robotic, but you have them for free, and if you don't want to record your own voice and you don't feel like paying somebody else, you have them for free. They come in built-in Vidnami and you can use them. So I don't want to use any voice, so I'll just click on no voice track, music only, and I'll click on preview your video. Now you can watch it. And you can choose the music. So I like to leave it without music because then I use another voiceover and then I adjust the music with another voiceover. So I prefer to leave it with no music, but you can choose any music here. Then you can choose any genre here. Let's say I choose this music, and then in the options you can control the music volume here. You see, let's say I want to make it 40%. And now listen to this. Here you have watermark. You can upload your watermark and it will appear on your video, the whole video. And then in the options you have how long each scenes will last, and watch your video. When you're satisfied and happy, click on looks good, continue. And they say your video will be generated in high definition, and you can change it clicking by change. Generate your video, and the only thing left is to wait a few minutes and then download your video. So when Vidnami finished, just click on download your video, and it's downloaded. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.